Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
In today's video I'm going to continue the series of the videos, and that is to play with makeup that I never used on camera. And actually the product that has made me think on this series, it's a set that I purchased over 2 years ago. It was from Bossy Charm and it's a Kaja set. It's called Kaja Cuties. I'm sure that this set is long time sold out. It was a limited edition or so. And we have a few face products, eye products, and also a lippy. Guys, before starting, I'm just over the moon thrilled about how brighter and smooth my complexion looks like. And I'm looking particularly at the eye lines that I used to have, especially on this side, because I'm a side sleeper, but also on the right side. And by using the Pro Facial wand, which I'm not sponsored by them to do this video, I'm just seeing tremendous results. So I'm just over the moon about this product. If you haven't watched my video when I'm reviewing that, I highly recommend you to do that. And moreover, that it's $100. It's almost a steal, and you also can get a discount on the website if you register with your email. So I'm planning to get a new one just to have it as a backup, because let me tell you, those tubes are very fragile. I managed to broke one. Of course, because I was clumpy and I didn't pay attention and it just dropped. Those being by glass, you can imagine, having tile in a bathroom, the outcome was inevitable. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share with you. Be careful when you're using that device if you have already purchased it, and I guarantee you that gives a tremendous result. Returning to products that I'm avoiding to use in 2024, or I must say products that I'm not avoiding to use in 2024. I'm going to start with the base because we were talking, and after that I'm going to use the Kaja set. So if you want just to see the Kaja set in action, I'm going to put a timestamp here or here. So just check it out. But also a product that I haven't used in a while, actually I have used it but not on camera, is the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. I have it in the shade Deauville. So excuse me if you see me looking here, because my mirror, I have a mirror, it's over here. And this is just perfect. Of course, I'm still loving my E.L.F. CC cream, but I just did a review on that, so I don't want to bring it out, especially because it's not the topic of this video. And talking about products that I avoid to use on camera, this is a brush by Sigma. It's a Sigma F87, and I have seen my friend Mel using this in one of her videos, and I reminded myself, I have this brush, how come I don't use it? And it's an amazing brush, because it's so narrow that it can reach your most inner corner of your eyes. A pump is everything I need, because I just want to have a natural coverage. A concealer that I haven't used in a while is this by Charlotte Tilbury, the Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. While the concealer is warming up, I'm going to add my eyeshadow primer. This is by Urban Decay and is the primer potion. And now I will blend it first with my finger, and then the BK Beauty A506. I just remember how much I enjoyed this concealer, and I cannot see the reason why I don't use it anymore. And for today I put away the worry of not having hair coping with me, so I just throw it in an updo. And of course, as every time when I'm recording, outside it's cloudy and it's almost rainy. This is the by Terry Hyaluronic Hydra powder, and this is the Refro 18. And this is the manicure that I have done to myself a while ago. It's with it's with normal nail polish. It's not gel manicure, just it's starting to chip, but I love it and I don't want to remove it. So now it's coming the exciting part. So what we have here, this is the Kaja Mochi Glow. Ooh, so it's coming with a mirror, and also you have a protector, which is good to have. I think some of them I swatched, I'm not sure. Okay, this is more golden. And this is the face set. Look how beautiful it is. You have a heart here. And it's in the shade 03 Bossy. And the heart inside, or in the middle, it's written Kaja. Oh, okay, so it's not exactly what I thought it is. This is a stamp. And here is written, remove film before using. Oh my god, this is a caution blush. Okay, I had no idea. I thought there are, and this is the stamp that you are going to use with. So I thought there are face products. And the last stackable thing it is, here are 3 eyeshadows. So you have a golden shadow, then you have the more amber, and the third shade, it's a matte shade. And you have a tiny little mirror here. How adorable is this? But because we do not have a transition shade, I'm going to get the help of the Bite Size from E.L.F. So I'm going to use this shade for the transition. As always, I forget to do my brows, but I'm going to tackle them after I do my eyes. And I'm going to use the same shade on my lower lashes with the BK Beauty 207. Now, with the same brush, I'm going to get this matte shade to add it to my outer V. I think you can also use this as a transition, but you have to blend it very well. I'm moving on to the other shade, and I'm going to get a flat small brush by BK Beauty. This is 209, and I'm going to get this shade. So pretty. So let's add this to the lid. And the last shade that I want to use, of course, is the golden one. Okay, this is more like a taupe shade, but it still has a nice payoff. I'm going to use the middle shade on my lower lashes. You know what? If I wipe the brush, I can also use this shade on my inner corner. I'm going with the Makeup by Mario eyeliner. You know what I did? I cut the brush that is coming with this liner because I thought it's too flimsy, but I cut it too much, so now it's stiff, so I cannot use it to blend. So I am using a small brush to blend everything. Before applying the mascara, I want to tackle the brows. So I'm using this Skinny Definer Brow Artist by L'Oreal in the shade 105 Brunette, that is coming with a spoolie, and this is the shade. Now I do remember why I do not use this liner by L'Oreal. It's a tad too dark for my brows. So luckily I have this E.L.F. Brow Wow in the shade Taupe. Oh no, this is neutral brown. The shade Taupe would have been better. So we are going to have darker brows. Don't go away. The reason that I did not apply my mascara, it was because I'm usually warming up my mascara before applying it. It helps with the formula. It's the same like with concealer. Warm it up on your skin, but you cannot do the same with the mascara. This is by L'Oreal. On my lips I have a lip oil, but it's not the one from E.L.F. I have the Catrice lip oil. You know what? We are going to leave the lower lashes bare. Okay, we don't have a cream bronzer on this set, so for this reason I'm pulling out my trusty Biscuit from Westman Atelier and blend it with the Makeup by MAC. No, I'm going to use the Sonia G sheer buffer brush. I think I haven't used this on camera. It's the latest Sonia G brush that I purchased. This is amazing. Does the job better than any of the brushes that I have. Look how seamless. The contour, it's blended in seconds. This brush has 2 lengths of bristles, which made the blending process more seamlessly and perfect. If you want more details, you can check Sonia's G blog where she's explaining, because I think she does a better job than I do. where I have been living, why I'm not using this brush. I haven't used it also in real life, I forgot about it. I have just recently reorganized my brushes and my makeup a little bit, not much, and I have rediscovered this brush. I think I haven't used it. Maybe once or two times, but I completely forgot about it. Combination made in heaven, the Sonia G Sheer Buffer and the Westman Atelier contour stick. And look how much I have used from this contour stick. I'm running low? What? But I'm happy. Now for the cutest little thing I have ever seen in my life. The blush that is coming with a stamp on a form of a heart, of a shape of a heart. Okay. This guy is stiff. Sorry, but I don't think that it will be helpful, so I'm going to use this side from the Makeup by Mario. Actually, the shade is nice. It's a very beautiful peachy coral shade. But the applicator, in my humble opinion, it's useless. My cheeks look amazing. Love the shade. Hate the applicator. Let's now try the highlighter. It's so finely milled. It's almost similar to the one from Rare Beauty. And I think they have similar packaging. And this has come out before Rare Beauty. Just it's not that pigmented. We have a lippy, also on the same Kaja set. It has a heart on the top. Okay, so it's that clickable pen where you have to be very careful how much you click. And this is the shade. I put it here to compare it to the blush shade. I'm trying to see if there is a shade name, but it doesn't say. I want to use a lip liner. First I thought that it's a matte shade, but actually it's not. It's a creamy lipstick. Okay, this is the final look. And I'm actually surprised the way that my hair looks like, so I didn't know that it will stay so well, because I have been just holding it in that bunny for whole day, and actually, yeah, it looks better. But what my hair doesn't know is that in 2 weeks, maybe 3, I'll have a new haircut, a new hairstyle, probably, and also a new color. Returning to the final look, I am definitely loving the way it came out, and also I have been using out camera this bronzer to set the cream bronzer from Westman Atelier with this brush from Sonia G. This is the Face Pro. This is perfect for applying bronzer. It diffuses very well and gives a natural finish. And the bronzer is Bronze to Paradise in the shade Back to Bronze from L'Oreal. But yeah, I am finally happy that I could use this set that I was storing in my makeup room for almost 3 years. I don't know what I was waiting for. For sure I was waiting a try on or get ready with me video to try it out. And I do love the trio. I might pack it with me on the upcoming trip that I have, because it's very small and easy to travel with. But for sure, I'm going to stay away from this. What is that? Why it's so bulky? So I do not recommend the packaging, just the formula is beautiful and the shade is beautiful. So yeah, I'm so-and-so. Instead, I do love the lip color. It looks absolutely beautiful on my complexion, and you don't need a gloss on top. And yeah, one other thing that I love from this set is the highlighter. It's in the shade 03 Luna. The formula is smooth and reminds me awful of the Rare Beauty. Let me bring it. First of all, the Rare Beauty, it's way bigger. But look, aren't they just the same? Of course, the color is different, but the packaging, they have similar vibe. Let me know what do you think about this look and the products that I have tried in today's video. If you have tried anything, especially from Kaja brand, I would love to hear that from you. And if you have stayed till the end of this video, I want to send you a big thank you for watching, because yeah, YouTube pays attention when someone watches your video entirely. And by the way, if you are wondering about this top, first of all, it's short, it's down to my waist. This is from Zara and I purchased it online last year from their website. I'm going to search it, and in case that is still available, I'm going to link it because I love the fact it has a, I don't know how to call this neck, but I cannot stand. After 45 or so, I could not stand anything that chokes or just sits on the base of my neck. I just cannot. I don't know why. I do not have thyroid issues, but I just cannot. So all the time searching for things that let my neck breathe. Have a wonderful day, guys, and see you really soon with another video. Bye!